In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best car camping tent. So let's get started. Number 7. Rightline Gear SUV Tent. The Rightline Gear SUV tent gets you off the ground when you're camping, helping to increase both your comfort and your protection from unpredictable outdoor elements. It's a fantastic all-around car camping tent, and it fits just about any SUV. It'll even work with other types of vehicles, including minivans, off-road vehicles, and more. This car camping tent connects to the back of your vehicle and covers you with a durable tent that can sleep up to 4 people. It's made with water-resistant fabric, tape-sealed seams, and no-seam mesh, and the tent windows and doors feature storm covers to block out weather. A PE bathtub floor keeps you dry and keeps outdoor critters away while you're inside. Number 6. Backroads SUV Tent. The Backroads SUV tent is a roomy, spacious car camping tent. It offers over 7 feet of headroom and can comfortably sleep up to 5 adults all inside its 10x10 foot size. But what really makes this tent a great buy is its excellent value. With an affordable, reasonable price and quality construction, you can get a lot of bang for your buck. It features a universal fit that suits nearly all crossovers, SUVs, and even minivans. It includes a full rainfly, storm flaps, taped seams and windows, and a door like a full-size tent. It's bug-free and watertight to keep you safe from the woes of nature. This car camping tent is even able to help you charge your electronic devices with a power outlet connection. Number 5. KingCamp Melfi Plus SUV. The KingCamp Melfi Plus SUV car tent is a great option if you're looking for a car camping tent that offers more room for bigger groups of people. Whether you're camping with your family or friends, this extra-large tent can give you enough room for 5 to 6 adults to sleep comfortably. It offers a 9.5 x 9.5 foot interior space with 2 rooms. And this car camping tent is built to provide you with comfort whether it's hot or cold, rainy or sunny. The tent flysheet is made out of 190T polyester with PU coating, and the floor is made out of PE material, so you'll enjoy water resistance from all angles. You can remove the PE floor if you'd like extra ventilation, and a series of multi-position mesh windows offer cross-ventilation. Number 4. Napier Sportz Cove SUV. If you're looking for a small tent that can provide you with a little shelter and a lot of shade, you'll love the Napier Sportz Cover SUV Shade Awning Tent. Designed to fit mid-size and full-size SUVs, crossovers, and minivans, this car camping tent gives you shelter with more than 2 feet of awning coverage. It provides shade as well as enclosed protection from bugs and unpredictable weather. This car camping tent features a mesh screen that'll keep bugs at bay and out of your car, and an integrated storm flap that offers both privacy and waterproofing. Made out of high-quality polyester taffeta and polyester mesh, this car camping tent allows you to get shelter from the elements on a day trip or overnight camping excursions. Number 3. Eureka Space Camp 4. Eureka's Space Camp 4 is a bright, welcoming shelter with nearly vertical walls and a versatile rainfly. With the rainfly zipped down, there are 2 generous vestibules to protect your gear when weather hits. 3 high kickstand vents provide good ventilation, and a low vent in the door promotes airflow. The main downside of the Space Camp 4 is that it isn't quite tall enough to stand up in if you're over 5 feet 6 inches, but the Space Camp 6P has a peak height of 6 feet 4 inches if more headroom is what you're looking for. The Space Camp is among the highest quality affordable camping tent options. Number 2. Coleman Octagon 98. The Coleman Octagon 98 is a unique and affordable shelter with a high ceiling, spacious interior, and window zippers that tie back like curtains for 360 degrees views. A hinged front door that swings open makes going in and out of the tent convenient as well. The Octagon is heavier and more cumbersome to set up than some other tents, but it's not too bad if you have 2 or more people to help. The structure of the Octagon is solid in the wind if all of its many guy-out points are staked down and secured. All in all, the Octagon is an appealing tent especially for families or small groups who want to create a luxurious hangout space for a few nights. The Octagon 98 is also available in a less expensive half-fly version. Number 1. Coleman Sundome 4. The Coleman Sundome 4 is a very affordable tent that's relatively light and compact and comes in a variety of sizes. It's popular because it's so inexpensive and almost always on sale, but its poles and materials are much lower quality than the other tents on this list. If you just need a simple and cheap tent for a few nights of fair weather camping here or there, the Sundome will do a fine job.